Welcome. I created this channel as a safe space, a place to breathe, release stress, and find comfort when life feels overwhelming. Whether you're dealing with anxiety, depression, or just the everyday weight of the world, you're not alone here. Each meditation is made with care to support your healing, your peace, and your resilience. If today's practice speaks to you, I invite you to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll always have a moment of calm waiting for you when you need it. Thank you so much.